Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install DVWA, Debian Vulnerable Web App on Linux machine step by step. DVWA is a safe practice lab for learning web security. It is made to be vulnerable, so you can test things like SQL injection on controlled environment. Please use DWA only on your own computer or private lab. Here I have one lab on VMware. In this video, I want to install on Ubuntu, but you can install on Kali Linux or Debian, any Linux base you want. The installation is the same. Open a terminal, sudo su, write your password. First, you need to update and upgrade your system. Sudo apt update and upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. When this step finished, clear your screen. Now you need to write these three comments. First, you need to write this comment, or you can copy and paste this comment. This comment is available on the description. This comment download the DWA install script from GitHub on this folder. The second comment is this comment, chmod +x install DVWA.sh. This comment make the script executable so Linux can run it. Hit enter. The third comment is sudo /install-DVWA.sh. This command run the installer with admin right. It will install everything and set up the DVWA automatically. Just hit enter. The installation is start. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Now everything is done. This script download the website, the database, everything. Here you have two choices. You can enter your own username and your own password. If you don't want, just hit enter. Now username is admin and password is password. It is default username and password of DVWA website. Copy this link or write this link on the browser. Write this address on the search bar of browser. You can search on Chrome or Firefox, then hit enter. Now the DVWA login is available. The username is admin and the password is password. It is default username and default password. Save it. Okay. Here we need one extra step. Here we have three options. If you want to have the all vulnerabilities, then come to setup, scroll down. Here create database. Again log in with admin and password. Look, here we have everything we need, like SQL injection, XSS or CSP or JavaScript API. Have a good time. See you soon.